Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer photos from a laptop to an iPhone using a USB cable. All right, let's begin. First, open Microsoft Store on your PC, then search for Apple devices and install the app if you haven't already. Next, unlock your iPhone and connect it to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure to press Trust this computer on your iPhone and enter your passcode. Once connected, open the Apple Devices app on your computer. Your iPhone should be detected automatically. On the left side, select Photos. Then enable Sync Photos and click the folder icon to choose the folder containing the photos you want to transfer. Select the folder and confirm by pressing Select Folder. The app will start syncing the photos from your laptop to your iPhone, making them easily accessible in your gallery. So that's basically how you can transfer photos from a laptop to an iPhone using a USB cable. And that's it for this video. Thanks.